morning. This is our practical session demonstration. I am Dr. Suresh Kumar Chobe, Physics Department, VMB College, and this is the third sem Group A practicals. And this practical is particularly called as the determination of frequency of AC voltage. AC means, what is the frequency of AC voltage? Frequency of AC voltage in India is 50 Hz. Clear? That we have to determine using this sonometer experiment. Now, what are the important apparatus in this experiment? This is called as the transformer. This transformer is a step-up transformer. Clear? Is that okay? It has having two terminal. One terminal is called as the common terminal. This terminal is connected to the coil, and the second terminal is connected to the sonometer wire. Clear? Then the same common terminal is connected to the sonometer. So this is the transformer. Clear? It work on the principle of mutual induction. Now, when we talk about the mutual induction, the coil is a very important role, and that's why this is the electromagnet. This electromagnet generate mutual perpendicular electric and magnetic field on the sonometer wire. This is a sonometer. Already you have seen it in the 12th class. The sonometer means it is a rectangular box, clear, which is having the two holes at the bottom to generate the sound waves, clear. And these are the two bridges. These bridges are used to measure the length on the scale. Clear? Is that okay? So these are the two bridges. Then this is pulley of the sonometer, and on the other end there is a stand. Okay? Weight stand. Clear? This is the weight pan. Clear? Here we will attach the weight of different types, each of 500 gram. Clear? So this practical reading we will take in the laboratory later on whenever there is offline practical, but this time we will just demonstrate, that is we will familiar with all the type of instrument. So here there is a meter scale on the sonometer which will measure the length between the bridges. Clear? And this is the coil which generate the electromagnetic waves, transverse waves on this wire. Clear? Is that okay? Agree? So how to take the reading? First of all, we have to put this terminal on the common. This is the wire. Okay? This terminal, red wire is connected on the common, then another red wire is connected to 12 volt. Clear? Then this green wire is connected to the one end of the wire, and then this yellow wire is connected to the another end. In this manner, now this is a 500 gram each weight. Clear? So this is attached to the pulley. On the other hand, where there is a hanger, on hanger you have to attach this hanger. Clear? So this is the another hanger. Clear? So this is a hanger of 100 gram, and this is another hanger of 500 gram. So total weight on the wire is now 600 gram. It is loaded with the 600 gram. Clear? Yes?
100 grams.
100 gram. So this is a 500 gram. This hanger is 500 gram. This is 100 gram, and that's why total load on the wire is 600 gram. Clear? Now you have to start the transformer. Clear? And the electromagnetic waves are generated over here, and this wave produces the vibration on this wire. This wire become hot. Clear? This wire become hot, and well defined loops are formed on the wire. Okay? When resonance occur, that is the frequency of wire matches with the frequency of transformer, what happens? The loops are formed. When wire has a vigorous vibration, it vibrates vigorously. Clear? And the fluttering of the wire is maximum, and when wire flutters maximum, you have to note the reading between these two bridges. Okay? This is the reading, and this is you have to take for 3 times. L1, okay? Then again L2, then again L3 on one weight. Clear? In this manner, you have to start loading again and again. Okay? And do the same activity. So repeat this experiment for each 100 gram of weight up to 400 in this manner, and each time take the 3 readings of the length of the wire when wire has a vigorous vibration or it has a maximum fluttering. So this is just a introductory part. Okay? Later on we will study. If suppose you are having the examination, just like it happens this time, online examination of practical, then you must be familiar with the instrument. That's why I am telling you about the instrument. Clear? But actually when offline you will come to the laboratory, we will take the readings. You take down your manual and record book and write down all the experiment. Reading we will fill in that record book later. Clear? So this is the demonstration of this instrument. Now the similar type of demonstration you can see in the Google search or on the YouTube for this experiment, sonometer experiment to determine the frequency of AC voltage. Okay, if you will search, you will get the more videos. So this video is just an introductory video and it is for online examination purpose. If it happens in future, otherwise you have to perform it in the laboratory. So this is sufficient for this practical. Clear? So